Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell on. And for those of you who are new here, I am Chavi and I basically make some daily vlogs and reading related vlogs. And today हम फिर से एक और vlog के साथ वापस आ गए हैं. And today we're going to talk about what is my nighttime routine. So एक चीज मैं बोलना चाहूंगी, the nighttime routine changes from day to day. On general basis, what are the things that I do during the night is what I'm going to show you in this video. But again, it varies from day to day and is not the same. Right now, I am just going to go. I'm going to wash my face a little bit. I'm going to put some moisturizer on and then I'm going to change my clothes because I'm in this kurta right now. So the first thing I do is going to be make a to-do list and then figure out what are the things, because dekho kahin bhi if you want to study, you need to know the aim of your study. What are you going to do today? What is your aim for the day? If you don't know what is the goals for the day, you're just going to get confused and you'll not know what to study. So the first thing you should always do is to make a to-do list which guides you that what are the things that you have to get done for the day. So what we're going to do is going to wash this face and we're going to moisturize it and then I'll come back to you. Okay guys, so I've washed my face and now I'm going to put some moisturizer. As in my previous video, I told you that I use the Lakme Peach Milk Creme Moisturizer and I love this. I also use the Pond's moisturizer, but right now I'm using this. And let me just tell you something. My hair is super oily today, as you can see by the condition of it. And I have to wash them. I have to take a bath at night. I know. You must be thinking, itni kya jaldi hai? Why do you have to take a bath so late in the night? And why do you have to wash your hair? Well, there's a backstory to this. So basically, if you don't know, I'm a 12th grade student. I have just started my session on 1st of April and today's 9th of April. So it's been only 9 days and we are currently in 12th grade. Can you imagine? एक time पे हम सोचते थे we are so small and we'll be, मतलब we used to dream कि एक दिन we will be the most senior students of the entire school. और आज हम 12th में हैं and I don't even feel like I'm in 12th. Like it feels so surreal that I'm in 12th grade and I'm the most senior student in the entire school. I was like in what, 9th grade. I literally was in 9th grade when I joined my present school, and that was the first class I took from the school. So in 9th grade I joined the school I'm currently in, and अब चौथा साल है स्कूल में मेरा. लाइक 3 years कहाँ को निकले nobody knows. I don't even remember कि इतनी जल्दी कैसे निकल गए साल. But now look, I'm in my 4th year of this school and बहुत जल्दी ये 4th year भी खत्म हो जाएगा. हमारे बोर्ड्स आ जाएंगे, हमारा रिजल्ट आ जाएगा and we will be passed out from here. We will be graduated from our school. और फिर no school. School life is over. School life खत्म. इसके बाद कोई स्कूल नहीं. And we used to cry, school जाना पड़ता है, school क्यों जाना पड़ता है, I don't want to go to school. And now I'm like, I want to go to school. This is my last year. इसके बाद तो मैं कभी स्कूल जाऊंगी ही नहीं. इसके बाद तो मैं कॉलेज जाऊंगी. And I'm not going to go to school. I'm not going to have this life anymore. And we're just going to move on with life. So हमारा सेशन जो है वो 1st तारीख से शुरू हुआ है. It's from the 1st of April and today is 9th. Okay. So basically in these 9 days, it has been a roller coaster. There's a lot of things that have happened and tomorrow is our photography for our school ID card. तो हमारा ID card बनता है, उसमें जो फोटो लगती है उसकी फोटोग्राफी हमारे स्कूल में ही होती है. So what is going to happen? Tomorrow we'll have our photograph. और मेरे बाल जो है वो काफ़ी ऑयली हो रखे हैं जैसे आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, और फोटोग्राफ में मैं ऐसे चंपू दिखूँ, that's not going to happen. So I have to wash my hair today night. I completely forgot that my photography is tomorrow. And I didn't wash my hair in the morning because मुझे तो याद ही नहीं था. मुझे तो बिल्कुल याद ही नहीं है. मुझे तो चीज़ें याद ही नहीं रहती ना. मैं तो बहुत ही भुलक्कड़ हूँ, भयंकर ही भुलक्कड़ हूँ मैं, ठीक है. एंड मैं स्कूल जाती हूँ, मुझे याद आता है, ओ माय गॉड, कल 10 अप्रैल है, कल हमारा फोटोग्राफी होगी. तो व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम गोना ऑयल माय हेयर बिफोर दैट एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना ऑयल देम सो दैट आई कैन वॉश देम. सो बेसिकली आई हैव अ लॉन्ग लिस्ट ऑफ थिंग्स टू डू. पहली बात तो मुझे अपने बाल जो है वो ऑयलिंग करनी है. इसके अलावा आई हैव टू ऑल्सो मेक अ टू डू लिस्ट. आई हैव अ टेस्ट टुमारो. I have a biology test tomorrow and I haven't studied for it. And I have to wash my hair after that. And I have to have dinner. So there's a lot of things that I have to do, although I thought it was going to be a chill day and I'm going to just relax and just watch something or do something. But nahi. Let's just get started and make a to-do list. please don't mind my oily hair. I look so bad right now. But I just had my dinner. तो basically जो to do list में कुछ चीज़ें थी, जैसे कि बायोलॉजी की स्टडी करनी थी, वो हम कर चुके हैं. कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं, वो मैं नीचे जाके करूँगी. So basically right now I've studied for the test and I have oiled my hair. I had my dinner as well. And now I'm going to wash my hair and I'm going to do some questions just after this. So I have to practice a few questions from my NCERT. And this way, जब तक मैं questions solve करूँगी, मेरे बाल जो हैं वो भी dry हो जाएंगे. So I'll solve the questions and meanwhile my hair will dry. तो यही चीज़ हम करेंगे. अब मैं फटाफट से एक hair wash quickly कर लेती हूँ. So I just had a shower and my hair is all washed. अभी थोड़ा wet हो रहा है. But now I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna complete those questions which I have to do. After which I'm gonna sleep because it's quite late in the night and I want to sleep. I'm literally drained of energy and I'm exhausted and I want to sleep. But right now I'm gonna quickly go complete those 5 to 6 questions and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay guys, so it's the next morning. Yesterday night I wasn't able to do all of the questions because I fell asleep and I was really sleepy and I couldn't concentrate. So I just thought I'll just wake up in the morning and get it done. And I did. I got all of the questions done that I had to do from my NCERT. And I have written down this in the notebook. Quickly have a bath, brush my teeth, and then I'm going to come downstairs. I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm going to get ready for school. And then I will be heading out for my school. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. And if you did, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and put the notification bell on so you get notified each and every time I post a new video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.